Hi guys, getting ready for a night out. Let's do this glam look together. Starting with primer, this helps smooth my skin and makes my makeup last all night. I'm using with my fingers. I'm applying on my T-zone. Next, I'm applying foundation and mixing a little illuminating cream for that soft glow. I'm blending with my fingers for natural finish. Blending it well into my skin for a flawless base. Now applying concealer under my eyes and on my spots just to brighten up and even everything out. And blend with a beauty blender. Setting everything with powder so it stays in a place and doesn't crease. And I'm using extra product on my whole face. Then comb my eyebrows with a mascara brush. Moving on to the eyes, starting with a basic eyeshadow to build the base. Now adding a shimmering eyeshadow on the lid for the glam night out sparkle. And don't forget your lower eyelid. Going in with Kajal to define my eyes. Starting from inner corner to end of the eyes. And finishing the eye look with mascara for fuller lashes. And I'm done my eye makeup. Look at the eyes. Now contouring my nose lightly to add some definition. Adding blush for a fresh and rosy glow. Then apply highlighter on my inner corner and nose also. Lining my lips to shape them nicely. And finishing with lip gloss for that shine. And finishing with lip gloss for that shine. And that's the final look. Thank you so much. Bye bye.